What happens when a factory is no longer a building, but an entire city in orbit? This isn't one factory. It's an ecosystem of factories. Every company has its own production line, but they share the infrastructure that keeps the entire park alive. And somewhere inside this orbital city, the first shipment of raw material has just arrived. Nothing gets manufactured until the raw material is sorted. Then each material is routed to the factory that needs it. One shipment can become thousands of different components. And because every factory is only meters or minutes from the next one, the supply chain never has to touch Earth. The real advantage begins when one factory becomes another factory's supplier. The component crosses the park and enters a robotic machining facility. Seconds later, another company has turned it into a finished aerospace component. The product never leaves the industrial park. It simply moves to the next factory. There is a problem with building an industrial city in space. Humans are expensive to keep alive. So the factories learn to move, inspect, and repair themselves. One robot detects a failing machine before production stops. In orbit, keeping the factory running is part of manufacturing itself. Every factory needs energy. This one has an entire orbital power grid. Power is routed to whichever production line need it most. Excess energy is stored for the next production cycle. The result is something Earth factories rarely achieve: a production ecosystem designed around one shared orbital infrastructure. But a real industrial park can't simply manufacture forever. It has to deal with everything it breaks. Nothing useful is allowed to become waste. Recovered material is routed back to the factories that need it. The industrial park isn't a line, it's a loop. Now imagine hundreds of companies using the same orbital infrastructure. One company sells materials, another sells components, another assembles entire spacecraft. The factories aren't competing for the same floor. They're building on top of each other's output. For the first time, industry itself becomes an orbital network. What began as a single factory has become something much larger. Materials enter, products emerge, energy circulates, waste becomes raw material again, and none of it requires the factory floor to ever touch Earth. This may be the moment industry stops being a place and becomes a civilization in orbit.